Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring your Linux distro and kernel meet Docker requirements, because Docker needs container features from the kernel. Once confirmed, update packages and remove any legacy Docker packages to avoid conflicts. Next, install transport and crypto tools, app transport HTTPS, CA certificates, curl, GNU-PG, LSB release so you can securely add Docker's repository. Make sure to run these as root or with sudo. Once done, you'll be ready to import Docker's GPG key and add the official apt repo in the next step. You add Docker's GPG key so packages are trusted, then register the official repository using your distro identifier from LSB release. This prevents pulling outdated packages. After adding the repo, update the package index and install Docker C, Docker CLI, and Containered EO to provide the runtime and CLI. Once installation finishes, enable and start the Docker service so it runs on boot. Make sure to test with Docker run hello world. This pulls and runs a container to verify that images, networking, and container runtime are functioning correctly. You'll finish by adding your user to the Docker group so you can run Docker without sudo. Remember to log out and back in for the group change to take effect. If you need custom behavior, create or edit /etc/docker/daemon. JSON to configure registries, log drivers, or storage options, then restart Docker. If things go wrong, check service logs with sudo journoctl udocker. Service and inspect Docker info for hints. One key tip: if Docker daemon fails, a stale iptables or cgroup config is often the culprit. Restart networking and check kernel modules.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.